This tutorial will show you how to create viral miniature boat videos using AI in a simple step-by-step process. First, open ChatGPT and go to Explore GPTs, then search for Miniature Boat Generator and click on Start Chat. Once you run the generator, it will give you 10 different video ideas to choose from. Select any idea by typing its number, for example 3. After that, ChatGPT will generate 5 image prompts along with matching video prompts. The first image prompt and go to Whisk AI, then paste it into the prompt box and generate your image. Once the image is ready, click on Image to Video on the right side and select the Animate option. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the first video prompt, paste it into Whisk AI, and click Generate to create your video clip. Repeat the same process for the remaining prompts to create more clips. By following these steps, you can easily create your own viral miniature boat videos using AI.